What's up? Welcome back. It's your boy Kenyatta, and welcome back to another one of my videos. In this video, we're going to continue on with our series here for the full stack MERN application, and in this video, we're going to go ahead and set up our controllers, okay, for the movie model that we just created. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and create another folder. Here we're going to call it controllers. Alright, and in here we're going to create a file called MovieController. So MovieController.js. Okay. So basically the controllers, the way it works, if you remember the whole MVC architecture or MVC approach, models usually just handle like just the information that, like the schemas or data types for your communicating with your database, and then your controllers are what handle like the business logic, like what happens at what route, how does it handle the data, things of that nature, right? And then the routes would be kind of like just where they are, routes just point you to where you need to go. So in the controller, we're going to do that here. So first thing we need to do is we need to require the movie model we just created. So we require that from models, and then movies. Alright, that's the first thing we need to do. And then now we're going to do a const. We're going to say exports. We actually can't say const for that because I already declared. So we're going to say var exports equals module dot exports, and then we're going to just set it to an empty object, and we're going to append our routes into the object here. Okay, so it's going to look a little something like this. We're going to say exports dot index for our index route, our main incoming route, and we're going to do async. We're going to use async and wait. So request response. And then basically we're going to say, alright, const, we're going to say all movies, and we're going to wait for them, and we're going to say movie.find. Alright, and basically what this, oops, put that back. So basically what this is going to go out and fetch all the movies that are in the database. Okay, and then if everything comes back clean, then we're going to go ahead and get response status code of 200, and then we want it to show everything in JSON, the movies. So we'll say JSON movies. Alright. I could put an else in there, but to save time, I'll probably leave that out for now. But basically what we did here is we make some room here. So we basically movie.find, we're going to find all the movies in our server, right, in our database, and we're just going to spit them out to our screen in JSON. Okay, so that's what this first route will do. We're gonna go ahead and create one more route. Exports dot, this one will be new movie. So this way, so we can create a new movie. And again, async. And we're gonna say request our response. And here we're gonna go ahead and set up everything we need to create the new movie. So I'm gonna say const new movie. And then we're going to equal that to a new capital movie. This is referring to our model we have up here at the top. So a new movie, and we're going to get that information from the request body. So rec.body. Alright. So we're going to get that from here. Once we pull the data from the request body, we want to go ahead and save it to the database. So I'm going to say movie equals await, because I want this to happen after we grab the information from the body. We're going to say new movie dot save. Alright, and then if all goes well, we're going to go ahead and do a response status of 201, which means now the item has been created successfully, and we're going to pass back that movie that we just created. Alright, so far there's two routes, the index and a new movie route. So that's all we had to do for our controllers. In the next video, we're gonna go ahead and do our actual route itself. Okay, and and you'll kind of see why we use the express promise router. Okay, and to me, I find it as being a very easy way of managing my routes. So you guys will see that in the next video. So talk to you then.